Hello guys, welcome back to Code Your Trade. I want to inform you guys this is gonna be a series. Some of you guys asked me to code a trading strategy. So I'll be starting a new project where I'll code a strategy which I'll further explain in the video from scratch. Like we'll set up trading environment, Shoonya's Python library, and we'll look into how efficiently we can code a strategy using Websocket. We are going to use tick data, get order updates from Websocket. Please note the strategy I'm going to explain is only to show how you guys can code your own strategy, and please don't use the same strategy as I've not back tested it and it's only for demo purpose. That being said, let's understand the strategy first. The strategy is quite simple. We enter a straddle at 9:30 a.m. and place 30% SL for both the legs, and once if any of the SL is hit, we will enter the closed leg side with the matching price of the other leg, and we'll now keep 15% SL for both the legs. That means we trail the 30% SL we have for the current open leg and we'll put 15% SL for the new entered leg. Let me explain this with an example. We will enter a straddle at 25 and 30% SL for both the legs would be 32.5 each. Now let's say call SL is hit and put is now trading at 17. We will enter a new call position with a price of 17, which is the put side, and now we'll trail the SL to 15%. That means we'll place a new order for call for 15% SL and we'll trail the 30% SL we had for put to 15%. Now the SL becomes 19.5 each. After placing and trailing the SL, if any of those SL is hit, we'll close the position. If not, we'll wait till 3:10 p.m. and close the position. I know this seems like a very simple strategy, but trust me, if you code this strategy, we can learn a lot, like how we can use WebSockets and how we can efficiently write code which has minimal latency for placing orders, fetching data, and the main thing is we will extensively look into error handling. Now this is a very important thing to keep in mind. Like what if something goes wrong? For example, for some reason only one leg order is executed in straddle, and we will look into how we can handle these type of situation or these type of errors and manage every possible errors. Now that being said, we'll set up the trading environment, which is very important to do if you're doing any Python project, which will isolate the packages and libraries to only that environment, which will reduce the risk of our code breaking. And we will install the necessary packages like Shoonya's Python library and pandas and more. I'll be using VS Code for this tutorial. If you guys are comfortable using any other IDEs, please go ahead and do that. Now let's open up a terminal. The command to create a new environment goes something like this: Python 3. If you guys are using Windows, it's only Python, and now it's -m when we and the name of the environment. Here you can give something like Algo or Finvasia. In my case, you can see I already have an environment, and if you have an environment, you'll see something like this. It shows the environment name and the base and the rest of the command. Now if you guys click enter, the new environment will be created. If you guys only see base after creating the environment, try to open up a new terminal. Still, if you guys see base, you can try command like Control Shift P in Windows or Command Shift P in Mac, and you'll see select interpreter. If you click on that, we can see different environments in the system and we can select the environment which we created. Generally, this environment will be in the same folder. Now let's install the necessary packages we'll be using. I'll give the same command below in description. Let's see what are the packages we need. We need Python's official library of Finvasia, which is NorenRestApiPy. We need pyotp, we need requests, we need pandas. Let's go ahead and click enter. As I've already installed this packages, it shows requirement already satisfied for me. You guys need to install these packages. That's all for this video. We'll start coding the strategy in the next video. If you guys like this content and want to see more, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please comment down below what are the content you want to see more in this channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next one.